In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio with Python step by step in 2026. If you want to build AI applications, automate tasks, create chatbots, or generate content using Python, this tutorial is for you. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and create an API key if you don't already have one. Copy the API key and keep it in a secure place because you'll need it to connect your Python application. Next, install the latest version of Python on your computer if it's not already installed. Then open Visual Studio Code or your preferred Python editor and create a new project. Open the terminal and install the official Google Gen AI Python SDK using the recommended installation command from the documentation. After the installation is complete, create a new Python file and import the Google Gen AI library. Configure your API key using an environment variable or your project's configuration settings. Then choose a Gemini model and write a simple prompt to test the connection. Run your Python script. If everything is configured correctly, you'll receive an AI-generated response within a few seconds. You can now use the API to generate text, summarize documents, answer questions, write code, analyze images, and build intelligent applications. As your project grows, organize your code properly, handle errors gracefully, protect your API key, and monitor your API usage. Following these best practices will help you build secure and reliable AI applications with Python. That's how to use Google AI Studio with Python in 2026.